Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to flatten a column with multiple duplicates, so that the new summarized column is left with unique values only. Let's get right into it. First, let's sort the table so that our name column is arranged in an A to Z order. That way, we'll be able to spot the bad entries right away. To do that, highlight the data set. Make sure you're excluding the headers so they're kept out of the sorting operation. Once highlighted, click Data from the menu bar. Hover over Sort Range from the new dropdown. Select Sort Range by column A to Z. Here we go. It is evident that there are indeed a few bad entries to take care of. To get rid of the duplicates, click Open the Data dropdown again from the menu bar. Hover over Data Cleanup from the new dropdown menu. Click Remove Duplicates. Here, we have a new pop-up window with a few preferences to choose from. If the data range selected includes headers, tick this checkbox. It lets the cleanup tool know that there are headers included. In this case, I've left the headers out, hence I can leave the box unchecked. Next, we have the Columns to Analyze section here. This is to instruct Google Sheets about the specific columns you would like to cleanse. For this sheet, we'd like the Names column to be treated. It is column A. Everything else can remain unchecked. With the right settings applied, click Remove Duplicates. There we have it, folks. All duplicate entries have been spotted and removed successfully. The Names column now contains unique values only. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching.